Hi, I'm Julie from Peaceful Place Home Organizers. How did you get here? How did it get to the point where you're watching a certified professional organizer talk about how to get organized? How did that happen? Well, I can tell you from my experience working with clients is that maybe if you're like most of my clients, you were possibly for a lot of your life, maybe a little messy, like your mom thought your room was kind of messy. Your college roommate would say, gee, you're kind of messy. Maybe you'd pay some bills late sometimes. Maybe you like to shop, a bit of a fashionista. I'm a shopaholic. You had a lot of interests. You like to buy a lot of things to support your hobbies. You're a really interesting person. And everything was fine until one of the 5 Ds happened to you. And those are death, divorce, depression, disease, and downsizing. All right? These are also known as life's curveballs that when they come at you, and it's usually they come in 3s or more than 1, things just spiral completely out of control in my clients' homes. And that's how you got here. It was life. It was life. It was the 5 Ds taking over every bit of available bandwidth you had so that there was just no time to maintain or to even get organized. I mean, it's just not going to happen without some professional help. So that's how you got here. It's not your fault. And the great thing is that help is only a phone call away. And when you hire an organizer, it gets done.